What is up, Wanderers? We are back and we're doing today a one-take bag review. But what is all this stuff? This stuff is all everyday carry items. So today, as you might guess, we're talking about everyday carry pouches. And specifically, we're talking about some everyday carry pouches from Alpaka. Right here, check it out. So these are all X-Pack bags that you can get from Alpaka, and Alpaka has a ton of these little doodads and doohickeys. So where are we going to start? Let's start with this one. This is the admin pouch. All right, so there's a lot going on with the admin pouch. On the front, and these are all in X-Pack in Coyote Brown. That's my favorite of their colors. The slate and the olive are also really dope. But check this out. So you've got a pocket on the front here, and then you open it up and you've got 1, 2, 3 little subdivided pockets here with this kind of ruby red honeycomb pattern in there. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Really, really nice. And then over on this side, you've got a slip pocket and then 2 stretchy elastic bands, and you can load this up. Check this out. You can toss in a multi-tool, you can toss in a pocket knife. You can put just about anything that you want in this admin pocket. Yeah, and it's got a good volume here. And then you've got on the back an AquaGuard zipper with another ruby red line. So this is the admin pouch. It's got a little grab handle, zips closed. Just really, really a cool piece of kit. Yeah, really, really nice. So, what's up next? Let's talk about the Zip Pouch Large. Ooh, orange ripstop on the inside. Nice. AquaGuard zipper. Cool little bit of branding here. Zipper on the back as well. X-Pack, ripstop. You got a couple of attachment points here, so that you can turn this into a little mini sling if you want. And then if you look on the inside here, what I've done is I use this as my little go-to first aid kit. Slips into a pocket on almost every backpack I have. Constantly have this little pack with me almost everywhere I go. And look at this. I want to show you the Tech case, and this comes in a mini, a max, and a regular, and this is the regular, and you got a lot going on here. So this is one of their most popular bags for a reason. You can see you can turn it into a sling just like the other one. On the front, boom, that beautiful, beautiful, what did we call it? Ruby red. Beautiful. It is an orangey, blood orange, let's call it. Blood orange honeycomb pattern, and it's throughout the interior of this bag, and it is dead sexy. Yeah. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little pouches and pockets. I've even seen a couple of people cut out this one to give themselves a little bit more room, but you can just really just go crazy. Go ham loading these suckers up. They just fit just about everything you own. And there's zippered pouches and pockets along with just organizer space. Look at that. You can just fit anything into these bags. Look at that. And I picked just a haphazard mix of stuff, but I just wanted to show you. And whoops, forgot to put these in. But there's certainly room for them. You know what? Boom, boom, boom. All right, so those are the really cool and really useful pouches from Alpaka. And if you go and check out Alpaka's website And honestly, y'all, you don't even have to check out the website, because you can check out the Alpaka app and you can look at accessories and tech organizers, and they have a ton of different varieties that you can look at. And then under pouches and wallets as well, look at all that. So a little bit of everything. I hope you enjoyed getting a chance to look at these really cool pieces of kit. And if you don't already have a couple of bags to toss into your backpacks, let me recommend this lineup from Alpaka. It's good stuff, affordable price point, and there's a rewards program for you to check out as well. Wanderers, that's it for now. We will see you next time.